Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and this suitcase from Arco Yard has been exactly what I've needed for all of my recent travels. The most important thing for me was that this was going to fit in the personal item category on the budget airlines, and this definitely does. But even though it's small enough to be a personal item, I have been able to fit so many things in here, which has been great because I've traveled internationally, and also as a dog sitter, I travel very often. So I needed something that was going to be lightweight, really easy to pack, and have enough room for all of the things that I need. I typically go with a backpack style bag because I do travel to areas that are not easy terrain. But I was really pleasantly surprised at how awesome these wheels are. They glide so smoothly over soft surfaces, but they can still handle rougher terrain, which is really important for me. For work, I have to constantly pack and unpack, and this suitcase has made that so much less of a hassle. So if you're looking for a suitcase that's going to make traveling so much easier, I highly recommend this one from Arco Yard. And that's my point of view.